Delete any Instagram account permanently 2026 method. Now you cannot just delete anybody's Instagram account, you can delete any of your account. So if you have access, you are the owner, you can delete that. So to get started, launch the Instagram app and let's come to our profile page, followed by the three lines icon from the top right hand side. Then we can go to Account Center. From here we can scroll down and tap on Manage Accounts. Then of course account ownership and control, and select deactivation or deletion. Once you've done that, select the option called delete account. This is a permanent deletion. If you're not really sure, you can just deactivate your account, but if you're 100% sure, then tap on delete account. This process is irreversible, so tap on continue, and once you've confirmed it, you will be able to lose all of this. And then you have some time to change your mind, like up to 30 days I believe, but after that your account will be permanently deleted. So you can just tap the continue button to confirm the changes. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.